Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We've got Randall in here with us this afternoon. And Randall's been a patient here, what, 3 years now?
3 years.
Yep. And wrote us a really nice 5-star review on Yelp and Google. And he just comes in for tune-ups now, so we're going to tune him up today. I'm going to do a couple of different adjustments on here for you today to keep it interesting. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards, and then neutral. Now Randall, he's pretty good posture right now because he's been getting adjusted for a long time now. His head's just a little bit right, but other than that, that's from him sleeping on his side.
Yep.
So we're going to come over here and do the knee chest table first.
Okay.
Which last time he came in was the first time I did this on him.
Oh, yeah. You have to do the picture.
So just let your spine kind of sink down in there for me. Just like that. Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
Deep. Yep.
All right.
Okay, now what?
Well, I'm going to have him lay on his back right here, and I'm going to bring him.
Did you get the new pins yet?
Not yet.
Oh,
No.
Okay.
There, slide down this way. Justin, if you're watching this, we still have not received the new pins. I don't know what's going on with that. I know overnight means overnight.
It's so weird. It's pouring down rain on that through that window, and over here it's dry.
That's because the wind's blowing this way, honey.
I said, okay.
Renee's not going to get the weather announcering job. There we go. I got you. Just let it go. You're bucking on me. There you go. Caught you off guard. Yep. See, I catch you in between bucks. Yep, you did. I'm not going to adjust you on your neck on that table. We're going to do it differently. Randall likes mixing things up in here, so we're going to do things different for him today. I've got a lot of different tools in my tool bag.
He does.
So let's have you sit right here for me, Randall.
Okay.
Now, when I was going to chiropractic college in Palmer College of Chiropractic in Davenport, Iowa, this was the very first adjustment that I actually learned how to do. It's called a rotary brake. That's not the Palmer diversified rotary brake. This is just a seated. Okay, just relax this. Oh yeah.
Oh,
but
awesome.
That moved good though, huh?
Yes, sir.
That should have felt pretty good too.
It felt really good.
So, I've adjusted people in elevators, on the floor, up against the wall. So I got all kinds of ways I can adjust people. His legs are even, that's good. But I always want to do the tried and true techniques that I know work, the Johnson techniques that I know work. That's why you see me doing the same techniques on everybody's, because these techniques work. There. Now I've already got that one with the knee chest, so we're going to come up a little higher. Yep. There we go. Yeah, crack addict's gonna love you again, Randall. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Randall's a crack addict himself.
I am.
He saw some videos online of Renee on some other YouTube channel. A lot of YouTube channels taking our videos and use them. That's alright, so long as they put our links to our channels up there. Doesn't bother me. Slide down a little bit more. You got a heavy head. You must have a lot on your mind. Either that or you got a hard head. There we go. I'm sure you say you got a lot on your mind. Your wife say you got a hard head, right?
Yes.
Okay. There. Okay, now there's some rain on that window.
Yeah, now it's pouring out.
Okay, slide down this way a little bit.
All right. Am I good yet?
Put your arms. We got a really big announcement to make here in just a second.
I've been doing a lot of push-ups, so I know I need this one.
Yep. Probably gonna be a little sore then. There. this one relax. That's it. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Yeah, fix it for Renee there. That's it. Yes, sir. Okay. Yep. Now Randall's been to a bunch of different chiropractors throughout the years. So I'm going to let him tell you at the end here if he's been to a chiropractor that has many tools in their toolbox is what I have.
No.
Let's stand up here and face the mirror. Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards. Yep. Oh, it's a miracle! Now y'all leave SoCal alone, I'm just messing with you.
I know who that is.
We don't need you to run up and down the
I
hallway.
came in here with stage 4 cancer, and now I'm here.
Okay, let's take it forward and backward.
My head was off my body when I came in.
Oh, look now, it's a miracle! So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we got a really important announcement coming up next. So we'll see y'all soon.